Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I do know I've been quite lately, but I did talk about this at the beginning of the year. I did say that this year I'm focusing on my master's degree, I think, and next year as well I'm studying. So I'm also having business on the side, I'm also having trading on the side, I'm also family and a whole lot of other things. So sometimes it gets overwhelming, and sometimes you just can't struggle to find a time to come to be with you guys. But I do try to post videos here and there, and I believe most of the stuff that some of you guys are asking for me to do videos on, some of the things are already on this channel. It shows me that some people are just lazy to just go through the channel and just find the videos that talks about whatever that they are asking me for. So don't be that person. Don't be that person. What you want to do is, after watching this video, go through the videos on this channel. If you are certainly certain that I've not covered that topic or question or that idea, then you can ask me for that. But sometimes people are asking me for the things that I've already done videos on already. This channel has been in existence for over 2 3 years now, I believe. So there's a lot that we've covered on this channel. So before you ask do some of the requests, just go through the channel and watch all the videos and see, did this guy not talk about this already that I'm asking him to talk about now? Okay, which helps all of us. But in any case, I do come across new questions that I believe, yes, I know we have not touched on that thing. So I'll be like, yeah, let's do that. So that's one of the things that we're going to do in this video. One of the questions that I saw on a previous video was, how do I make sure that my robot opens a trade in an opposite direction? If, let's say, the robot has opened a trade and it gets taken out or stopped out because the market moves against it, then obviously maybe you want to take the opposite direction. Maybe that's the true direction that the market wants to take in anyway. So basically what you want to do is you are trying to minimize your losses. So I'm just going to move my mouse here, just bear with me. So let's say your robot enters a buy here, and the market just moves here and it just tanks. So maybe in that direction, in that scenario, your stop loss was here and it gets hit, but you don't want to suffer this loss. You want the robot then to take a sell, because this buy was taken out. Now you want the robot to immediately take what? A sell. So that's the trick that we're going to talk about in this video. This is the previous robot that we built. Watch that video. It's about a MACD robot. So just look for that video if you're wondering what's going on here. Otherwise, guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're looking for forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and you'll see what you will find what you are looking for. The broker that I use also, see the link in the description box below. One of the best brokers out there, very reliable. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. And for just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test this forex robot without putting too much money on the line. Okay, so if you have been following the videos that we've been doing, you notice that we're mostly focusing on this section, on tick section, because that's where we put everything that we want the robot to do as the ticks are coming in onto our platform. So that's why we've always been focusing on the on tick section. But there are also these sections that you can actually play with. I always say in my videos that I'm giving you the basics. It's up to you guys to actually go further, go further. Don't just take the basics that I give you and you just fold your hands and you wait for me to spoon feed you everything. I'm giving you the basics. There is a lot that you can actually explore in this section. There's a lot that you can actually explore in this section. So today we are going to just explore one of those sections given the question that I just told you about. So to do that, to let this robot open a trade in a new direction, if it gets taken out at a stop loss or something happens, we are going to go to on trade. This section, it says on trade. You see that when we go to on trade, we'll get a new section that appears here. So let's just go to on trade. On trade, I don't know what my Chrome browser is doing there, because there's some supposed to be blocks there. Okay, let's just refresh it and see if it's going to appear there. So let's just minimize that. Okay, I don't know why it did that. Okay, so this is the on trade section that appeared when we clicked on trade. So what are we looking for here? We have got a lot of stuff that we can actually play with. I think I will go into some of these things as we go with the videos. So the purpose of today is what do we want to do during the trades. So we are actually looking for a trade closed. What do we want to do when a trade gets closed? So trade closed. So we can double click and you can see these are the conditions that we can actually set. If we come here, we can say all trades, or you can say manual open trades, or you can say maybe you can have a robot that open opposite trades. If you open a trade manually and the market moves against you, you want this robot to actually open a trade in opposite direction. But we'll just choose all for now. And a symbol, you can use any symbol. I mean, you can use any symbol. Then filter. What you want to do, I think, is what makes sense is you want to first of all say buys. So we are saying if a buy trade has been closed, that might be an indication that let's say here we have condition that says closed buy. If we go to see here, we have stop loss, we have take profit, we've got stop loss or take profit, we've got not by stop loss or take profit, maybe manual close, or by expiration, maybe that trade has expired. Sometimes you can set trades to expire at a certain time. Maybe here we just use stop loss, because as we started this video I gave you an example with a stop loss. So closed how, we just keep it at no matter how, whether it was partially closed or fully closed, no matter how, as long as the this buy trade has been closed by stop loss. That's what we want to do. So we are going to say update. What do we want to do when our buy has been closed at stop loss? We want to open a sell. Quickly open a sell. That's the trick. Quickly open a sell. We double click in there, and here you can do the normal sorry, I had to clear my throat there. Here you can set the normal stuff that you usually do, the normal lot size. Maybe if the buy was 0.01, maybe this one you want to be 0.02, so that you recover some of that. It's basically up to you. And again, you can set your stop loss and your TP for that trade. I mean, this is the usual stuff that we usually do when we are creating robots. I leave it up to you to play with it. I'm going to delve deep into it. So we do the same thing. We come back here and we say our trade is being closed, and we double click again, and we are going to say all of our trades, or again choose what you want to do. I mean choose what you want to do. And symbol, we can say any symbol, whatever symbol that we are trading the robot on. And here we're going to say sales. So let's say our sales have been closed by what? By stop loss. Well, no matter how it was closed, we just keep it no matter how, and we are going to just update. And what are we going to do? Because our sell order has been closed, the stop loss, probably means the market is pushing up. So immediately we want to buy. So we double click in there and we set our buy trader with some recovery there, and we just tick these gray boxes so that we don't always have to come back to FXDREEMA, and we update. And that's basically the trick. Then you then go ahead and you download what? Your forex robot, and this will be the ex4 file and the MQ4 file. And I've done a video already on this channel showing you how to use MQ4 MQ5 files for people who don't know how to use them, or look for that video. So yeah, that's the trick about opening trades in the opposite direction, how to make your robot open trades in the opposite direction in case you get stopped out. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, yeah, share your questions in the comment section below. But before you ask me for some of these things, just go through the channel and see that I've not already talked about that same thing already. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.